Namaste dosto, kya hal hai? Welcome back to the channel. I am your friend Pokemon Universe or PokeUni 05 and today we are diving into the amazing world of Pokemon cards. सबसे पहले a big shout out to all 5,000 of you who've joined the awesome community. आप सब का बहुत धन्यवाद. Your support means everything and I'm so grateful to have you here. Today we are going to do some fun things. Maybe open a little packs, share some fun tips for collectors and of course check out some amazing cards. So chai pakdo, aram se beto and let's get started. The Pokemon Matchless Fighters set is a Japanese Sword and Shield series expansion released in 2020. This set features Pokemon V cards, VMAX cards and trainer cards including secret rares and special full art variants. Some of these cards were included in the International Chilling Reign expansion from Sword and Shield era. Hey, what's up Indian Pokemon trainers? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss on any of the action. I'm PokeUni 05 and today we've got something super exciting lined up and another booster box open. Now, I know you all love those big pulls and I've got a feeling today is going to be no exception. Will we finally hit that chase card we've been waiting for? Or will the Pokemon God smile upon us with something extra special? There's only one way to find out. Let's crack open this box and see what we get. But before we dive in, go ahead and drop a comment down below. What are you hoping to see in this set? Let me know your dream pull for today and maybe you'll get some good luck from the Pokemon universe. Alright, enough talk. Let's get into it and start hunting for those rares. Let's go! Okay Indian trainers, now that we've hit 5,000 subscribers, it's time for something special to show my appreciation for all of you. That's right, it's giveaway time. Here's how you can enter and have a chance to win some awesome prizes. Be subscribed to the channel. This is the most important step. Like this video. It helps out the channel and lets me know you're hyped for this giveaway. Comment below with your favorite Pokemon and why you love them. Or tell me what your dream pull would be in today's booster box. Get creative guys. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And tag a friend who'd love to join the community. Okay, here's the deal guys. If you want an extra entry into the giveaway, listen closely. I'm going to drop a secret word somewhere in the video and you'll need to comment it below to get an extra chance to win. So, pay attention and make sure you're watching all the way through. And remember, this is my way of saying thank you for being part of this amazing community. Whether you've been here from the start or just joined for the fun, I appreciate every single one of you. So don't miss out. Enter today for your chance to win some cool Pokemon prizes. Good luck Indian trainers and let's keep the journey going. Next stop, 10,000 subscribers. Okay guys, we've pulled a Blaziken VMAX till now. Give a fire emoji in the comments if you like the card. Have you guys noticed? Now I've changed the way of opening up packs just to save some time for you guys. We've got a scissors and we're gonna be opening 5 packs at a time. And I think I kind of like this style because it's neat. We get to move much faster. We've got a holo card here. As you guys know, the holo cards are here for the giveaway. Let's keep going guys. Let's continue the hunt guys. Starting off with the Chinchou. Wow, we have the Galarian Slowking VMAX. This card is quite nice, it has good texture. Hope you guys can capture that on the camera. This is a dark type Pokemon. Go ahead and give me a fire emoji on the comments. Wow, we have a Blaziken V. Such a nice card. I'm really hoping we pull the best chase card from this set, which is the Blaziken V Max. The card is going for about $400 US as of today. It's been almost 4 years since release, and hoping to get the best of the luck today. Keep going, guys. This is a recap of the V cards and the V Max cards that we have pulled today. Are you guys enjoying the Matchless Fighters booster box? Please let me know in the comments. Please like the video and share and subscribe to the channel. Let's see, we have some commons and uncommons here. Nothing big in this pack. So we are about halfway through. We have finished more than 15 booster packs, and we have still not come across the secret rare or any secret art rare. If you guys didn't know, this box is from the year 2020. It's 4 years old now, and this is from the Sword and Shield era, so it has the yellow borders. Like the yellow borders because I've opened quite a few sets from the Sword and Shield, but now in the Scarlet and Violet series they have the silver borders. Let me know in the comments whether you like the silver or yellow. A lot of my subscribers have been asking for when I'll be doing the next live stream for booster box opening, so I'm planning one soon, guys. Please stay tuned. I will do a community post maybe a few days before I plan the live stream, but I do have some booster boxes planned for this live stream. I opened 15 or half the booster packs and left the remaining half of the packs for live streams. Some sets like the Night Wanderer and Triplet Beat. So I do have the plan, but I don't have a date yet. So I've been working on posting and editing on new video openings. So yes, thank you for your support. It means a lot to me because I myself enjoyed the live stream that we did a few weeks back. We've done about 4 or 5 live streams till now, and I've got a lot of support and love from you fans. So thank you, and keep giving me your support for all the videos. We've got the Galarian Moltres V. It's a nice card. It's a dark type. It's one of the legendary birds from Pokemon. So we're ending this video with the last few packs, guys. We have 5 packs left, and I think we should go the old school way of tearing open each booster pack. So let's start off. And we have a holographic card. We've pulled this one. This is a repeat. Let's go on to the next pack. Feel good opening up packs from the Sword and Shield era. It's quite old now. It's been 4 years since release, and the value has gone up also. We have a trainer card in the end. So if you see, the Japanese booster boxes of this cost about $100, I guess, per box. And the English costs way more. It's part of the Chilling Rain set. Wow! Oh my god! What? Can't believe this! Oh my god, we have a Snorlax gold card. This is ultra rare. Wow, just check out the colors and the textures on this card. It's amazing. Wow, such a neat card. I think this is a perfect contender for a PSA 10. Wow, I did not expect this because we are left with only 3 or 4 packs, and we got a chance to pull an ultra rare. I think this is a very lucky box. Wow, check out this card, guys. Please put a thumbs up in the comment section. Please share this video to your friends if you want them to see this ultra rare pull from this box. This is such a nice card. I'm very happy today. I think it's part of the top 5 cards from this set. Let's quickly sleeve this up and put it in a top loader so that it's safe. Wow, and Snorlax is also one of my favorite Pokemons because it's from the Generation 1 Pokemon. That is the initial set of Pokemon that was released. Snorlax is one of them, so I am very happy to have pulled this Snorlax. A few days back we pulled this Giratina V-Star. I think that one is a hyper rare pull, not too sure, but it's keeping both the gold cards side by side. I'll soon be posting that video, guys. It's from Lost Abyss, which is also a Sword and Shield era set. Doing all this videos just for you guys, so please support the channel and enjoy the video. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic. This is pack number 30. And it is good luck. We've ended the video with a Galarian Zapdos V. It's again one of the legendary birds. We have already pulled one of the legendary birds before this. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's Matchless Fighter booster box opening. Thanks for joining us on this Pokemon adventure today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to join our Pokemon community. Remember to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Looking for more Pokemon content? Check out our other videos on the screen right now. And if you want to stay connected outside of YouTube, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at PokeUni05. for more updates. Got a question? Comment. Or just want to share your favorite Pokemon memories? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy Pokemon training, Indians, and we'll see you in the next video.